Hello. Welcome to my channel, Nana Query Special. And you know, me Mama Kwaba. Today I've got some delicious jollof rice for you. I'm going to show you step by step how I make my delicious jollof rice. So, what I used is beef, and on the side I also baked some chicken. First, I'm gonna blend my ginger and onion. I used 1 onion and a piece of ginger. Just add them to my beef, and I also added them on my chicken. So here you see me also adding some salt to my beef, and I'm just gonna cook that. In the meantime, after putting my beef on the stove, I'm gonna add some soy sauce to my chicken and some all-purpose season, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 1.5 hours so it's well marinated. There you go. And in the meantime, I will just check on my beef. It's almost ready, as you can see here. So the next step is frying my beef. I cut them in tiny pieces so later on I can just mix them through my jollof rice. And here you can see it's all ready, so I'm just taking it out of the oil. It's well fried, and then I'll just use the oil as the base of my stew for my jollof rice. Here you see me adding some blended pepper, onion, and garlic, and then I'll use 140 grams of tomato puree. Just add them and mix it together. And then this is some freshly mixed blended tomato, 1 cup. And now add some seasoning. This is 2 teaspoons of nutmeg and 2 teaspoons of curry. I'll just mix that through my stew till it's all well together. And this is some beef broth that I'll use just to add a bit more flavor and taste to my jollof. To that, I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt. Just add as much as you need to taste, and then I'll just mix my beef through the stew and wait for about 20 minutes to half an hour. And this is how it's supposed to look. Don't forget to stir it in between. And then I'll just add my rice. I use 2 cups of rice for my jollof rice. I also add some vegetables, which is totally optional. You could leave that out just as you desire. After adding my vegetables, I added 1 cup of water to it. And then to the jollof, I also add 2 teaspoons of salt. And you can just taste it. Just add as much as you desire. So that is it for the ingredients. We're just gonna wait, stir it in between every 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how it's supposed to look like. It looks good, but it smells even better. I wish you could smell it. It is just delicious. Look at that. And in the meantime, I just took my chicken out of the oven, and it looks great, and it tastes just delicious with the jollof rice. Look at that. I hope you enjoyed this dish. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you the next time.